learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back, everyone. It's time for another edition of Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And along with Alice, this whole month, we're putting you in situations where you heard about something. Maybe it's a rumor, maybe it's a place you want to go, and you ask, I heard blah blah blah. 听说
唐贡，
唐贡 that simply means I heard. 唐贡啊，云林有很好看的布袋戏，但也有很好吃的酱菜啊。是不是？
客家腌制的东西哦。
Yes, I love pickled anything actually, but the Hakka pickled veggie is very famous in Yunling, and this whole month we're actually taking you to that county too. So let's have Alice teach us a situation where I heard the Hakka pickled veggies are great. Where can I buy it? And then she tells me. 好，我们首先教，听说客家酱菜很好吃。
唐贡客家酱菜董好食。
唐贡客家酱菜董好食。董后丝就很好吃，
好吃
delicious, yummy, yummy. 董后丝 okay, that means delicious. But the 酱菜 the pickle part is
客家酱菜。
客家酱菜 okay, 酱菜真的好吃，因为我喜欢吃咸的食物，
配饭、
配稀饭，什么都好吃，夹在面包里面也可以，对不对？中西合并嘛，去哪里买呢？ Where can I buy that? This is what I want to ask.
去哪里买？
去哪里买 Okay, 买 that means to buy. 去哪里买？
那海陆腔去哪里买？去哪里买？
要卖咯。
不是哦，四线腔买就是买，那海陆腔的买叫做
就变卖哦。我以为你很有生意头脑，从云林批发上来到台北卖，可以赚一手。All right, a different dialect for buying actually sounds like selling, but it really means buying. Okay, 卖跟买。Okay, 到底去哪里买呢？
二轮咯。
对啦，云林二轮乡 ，That's where you find the pickled veggies. Okay, 云林二轮乡怎么说？
云林二轮乡。
云林二轮乡。That's 二轮乡，真的要去走走啦Go check it out when you have a chance. But let's review some of these terms like 很好吃 delicious,
董好食
董好食 the 酱菜 pickle,
酱菜
酱菜 and finally 二轮乡 is
二轮乡
二轮乡 that's the township name. And it's all about asking I heard,听说
唐贡
唐贡 And there you go. Go check it out when you have time. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎
汉字say 张来了
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.